Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Jaxilyn riding lawn mower lift jack. There are include. Our tractor lifter is made of sturdy steel, which can not only prevent rust to extend the service life, but also ensure safety during use. Our tractor lift is equipped with a safety lock to secure the crank. Please do not use the tractor lift if the rod is not properly seated in its location. The floor supports of the lifting platform ensure a secure stand, and when not in use, the jack aid can be folded compactly and stowed away to save space. For jacking mowers, small tractors, ride-on mowers, lawn tractors, quads, and more. An additional power tool connector is included. You can use a power tool to speed up the lifting process. Our ride-on lawn mower lift rack is an ideal tool for maintenance and care. It is a universal, stable, and durable lifting tool and is suitable for all mower models on the market. With the lever system of this jack, you just have to turn the crank without any effort. Made of resistant steel, our mower lifter very robust and can safely carry up to 880 pounds. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.